Welcome back to the channel, Tech Enthusiasts. Today, we are diving deep into the fascinating history of computers, tracing their origins, and exploring the major milestones that have led to the powerful machines we use today. From the earliest mechanical calculators to the advanced quantum computers of the present, this journey is full of innovation, breakthroughs, and iconic companies that have shaped the digital age. The beginning. Our story begins in the early 19th century with a British mathematician and inventor named Charles Babbage. Often referred to as the father of the computer, Babbage designed the first mechanical computer known as the analytical engine in 1837. Although it was never completed during his lifetime, the design laid the groundwork for the basic principles of computing. Fast forward to the 1930s, and we see the advent of the first electromechanical computers. Konrad Zuse, a German engineer, developed the Z3 in 1941, which is considered the first programmable digital computer. Around the same time, Alan Turing, a British mathematician, proposed the concept of a machine that could solve any problem given the right algorithm, a theoretical foundation for modern computers. The rise of the mainframe in the 1950s and 1960s, computers began to take on a more familiar form with the development of mainframes. Companies like IBM, International Business Machines, became pioneers in this era. IBM 701, introduced in 1952, was the first mass-produced computer, primarily used for scientific calculations and business applications. During this time, the concept of batch processing emerged, where computers processed large amounts of data in batches. This was a significant leap forward, allowing businesses to automate complex calculations and data management tasks. The personal computer revolution, the 1970s and 1980s, marked a turning point with the advent of the personal computer. In 1975, the Altair 8800, developed by MIT's Micro-Instrumentation and Telemetry Systems, was released as a build-it-yourself kit and is considered the first commercially successful personal computer. However, it was the release of the Apple II in 1977 by Apple Incorporated, co-founded by Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak, that truly ignited the personal computer revolution. The Apple II was user-friendly, had a color display, and supported a wide range of software, making it popular in homes and schools. Not far behind was IBM, which released the IBM PC in 1981. The IBM PC set the standard for hardware compatibility, leading to the creation of a vast ecosystem of compatible software and hardware. The graphical user interface and beyond. In the mid-1980s, another major breakthrough occurred with the development of the graphical user interface, GUI. Xerox PARC, Palo Alto Research Center, was instrumental in developing the GUI, although it was Apple and Microsoft that brought it to the masses. Apple's Macintosh, released in 1984, featured a GUI that allowed users to interact with the computer using a mouse and icons, rather than typing complex commands. Microsoft followed suit with Windows 1.0 in 1985, and by the 1990s, the GUI had become the standard for personal computers. As the 1990s progressed, the Internet began to play an increasingly important role in computing. Companies like Netscape and Microsoft battled for dominance in the web browser market, with Microsoft's Internet Explorer eventually becoming the default browser for most users. The mobile and cloud era. The 21st century has seen the rise of mobile computing and cloud technology. In 2007, Apple revolutionized the industry once again with the release of the iPhone, a device that combined a phone, an iPod, and an internet communicator into one. This marked the beginning of the smartphone era, with Google's Android quickly becoming a major player in the market. Meanwhile, companies like Amazon, Microsoft, and Google have been pioneering cloud computing, which allows users to store and process data over the internet rather than on local servers or personal computers. This shift has led to the rise of software as a service, SaaS, and has transformed how businesses and individuals use technology. The future of computing today, we stand on the cusp of the next revolution in computing, quantum computing. Companies like IBM, Google, and Microsoft are investing heavily in this technology, which has the potential to solve problems that are currently beyond the reach of classical computers. While still in its infancy, quantum computing promises to revolutionize fields such as cryptography, material science, and artificial intelligence. Another exciting development is the rise of artificial intelligence and machine learning, which are becoming integral parts of our daily lives, from personal assistants like Siri and Alexa to more complex applications in healthcare, finance, and autonomous vehicles. Conclusion, and that brings us to the present day. The history of computers is a story of relentless innovation, with each new development building on the successes and lessons of the past. From the mechanical engines of the 19th century to the quantum computers of the future, the evolution of computing technology has been nothing short of extraordinary. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the history of computers, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights and history lessons. Let us know in the comments what other topics you'd like us to explore. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.